So all of our beliefs about money are formed when we're younger. And so if there's any belief that we have that isn't serving us, so a lot of people get the beliefs and they learn from their parents or peers or circumstances that money is bad. That's a really common one. Or other people have money and I don't. Or those people that have money are greedy and we aren't like them. So those are really common beliefs that people have. And when I work with them, we can look at those beliefs and then be able to shift them. So one client that I had was a single mom, this amazing woman, and she kept running into blocks around money. She was self-sabotaging. She wasn't taking the actions she needed to take, right, to make the sales and do what she needed to grow her income. And she was in an industry where other people could. She had a lot of freedom over that because she was in real estate. And so we worked together and she's like, I don't know what's going on. I'm working really hard, but I'm not getting the results I want. And that's when you know that it's a subconscious belief. So we worked together and we figured out very clearly she had these beliefs when she was younger. Money is bad. She wanted nice clothes and she wanted nice stuff. And she got the idea from her family that that was bad and she shouldn't want that and she shouldn't be asking for those things. And so she got that programming, that's not allowed. And also that when you wanted money, that was evil. And that's a really common one for a lot of people that she had. So we worked together in the session and with the coaching with me to figure out for her to translate to her subconscious, money isn't good or bad, right? That's the truth. It's whatever we do with it, it's a tool. And so within 3 months of working with me, she was able to quadruple her income. And like I said, she was in real estate, so there's a lot of wiggle room there. But finally, she was able to take the actions that she needed to make and take in order to get the money, because all of a sudden it wasn't bad anymore. So she wasn't stopping herself. And so she got to do what she needed to do to provide for her little boy and get her subconscious in line with her goals.